Hi, I'm Roger, and I'm the author of a series of books called Launch Your Dev Career. You can find them at Amazon. There's a link below. My series is broken down into daily readings so you can learn a little bit at a time. Of course, if you want, you can read more than one daily entry, and if you do, you'll progress extremely fast. Now I'm taking those books and I'm turning them into a series of YouTube videos. My series is for anyone who wants to learn to build apps. Eventually, we'll use all kinds of programming languages and technology, but the fastest and easiest way to get started is to start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. My main goal with these videos, including this one, is to keep them at 5 minutes or shorter. If you want more, you can always watch the next one. And keeping them short will allow you to get the content quickly, and you can always watch more. It'll also help you measure your progress more often. My second goal is to give you a list of things you'll learn at the beginning of every video. That way, you'll know if the video contains what you want to learn. Finally, this series, just like my books, will build upon each entry. For these videos to work best, you need to watch them in order, or you must understand everything that is listed at the beginning that the video will teach. I've created a separate video to tell you about my background, 30 years in information technology with 20 years of software development. If you're interested, there's another link below. So I won't go into that here. But I do want to tell you the benefit that I bring. I don't know everything about programming or JavaScript or web apps. I don't know everything about anything. But I do know a lot of things that actually get used in the real world of software development. A lot of resources which try to teach technology end up using a lot of your time teaching you about the specific technology, the algorithm, and lots of things that you may never use. And I don't think it's the best way to learn. I think you should learn some basic foundational things and then jump into writing an app and then learn the necessary parts as you go. It creates a better way, mental framework for remembering things. And I've often said it like this. Suppose a child comes, 10-year-old, and says, "Hey, I'd like to go fishing." And then someone, tells the child, "Hey, you'll need to read this 500-page encyclopedia of fish before we do that," Or we could just take the child and say, here's a fishing pole, and here's how you cast it, and we can just begin right away, right? And which one would you rather do? Would you rather start learning with hands-on and go on a fishing trip, or read a 500-page encyclopedia of fishing? So I think that's a lot better way. I mean, the person who just directly goes fishing, they'll learn things like how to bait their hook, how to find bait, how to cast their fishing pole, all these things. They won't know why fish have scales or why fish eat the things that they do. But if they become interested in fishing and fish, then after a bit, they'll probably go back to the encyclopedia of fishing to learn some things. And that's what we want to do here. So that's my main goal. Like I said, check out the other links. This is the first video. And next time, we'll begin jumping right in.